Tired of being locked out of your eBay account because of a passkey you can't remove? Here's exactly how to delete it in under a minute. So here's the plan. We're going to head into your eBay settings, find the Passkeys section, and remove it. Just follow these simple steps. All right, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to ebay.com. I'll wait right here while you pull that up. Now, go ahead and sign in to your eBay account. Use your regular email and password, or whatever method you normally use to get in. Just get logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look up to the top left corner of the page. You'll see your username right there. Hover your mouse over it. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see a little drop-down menu appear. From that drop-down menu, click on the option that says Account Settings. This is where you manage everything about your account, so it's a good place to know how to find. Now, on the left-hand side of the account settings page, you'll see a sidebar with a bunch of options. Look for the one that says Sign In and Security and click on it. This is where all the magic happens for your login methods. And here's the key part. Scroll down a bit until you see a section labeled Passkey. It might be near the bottom of the page. You'll see your passkey listed there, likely with the name of the device or service you used to create it. Next to that passkey, you should see a button that says either Manage or Delete. Go ahead and click on that button. In my experience, it's almost always labeled Delete, but either way, that's the path you want. A confirmation box will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to remove this passkey. Just click the Confirm button. This is the step that actually gets rid of it. Now, give it a second. The page might refresh or show a brief loading indicator. Just wait for the changes to save. It usually only takes a moment to process, so don't worry if you see a quick spinner. And that's it. You're done. You should now see a message confirming the passkey has been removed. You're back in control of your sign-in methods. No more getting locked out by a passkey you didn't want. If you ever need to add a new one or manage your other security settings, you now know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on eBay.